Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 44. If we start with this row, we're missing 5, 8, and 9. We've got an 8 and 9 here, so this is our 5. Don't see any other help. So 8, 9, 8, 9. For this box now, we're missing 2, 4, and 7. We've got a 4 here, so 2, 7, 2, and 7 here, so that makes this our 4. No help here, so 2, 7. If we look at this column, we're missing 1, 2, 7, and 9. We've got a 2 covering these two boxes, 9 here. So 1, 7. 2 and 7 here, so 1, 9. 1 here, 7 here, so 2, 9. If we look at this box, we're missing 1, 2, 3, and 9. We've got a 1 and 9 here and a 3 here. That makes this our 2. That 2 makes this our 9. 1 here means this is our 3, 1. For this bottom row, we're missing 2, 4, and 8. We've got a 2 here, so 4, 8. No other help, so 2, 4, 8, 2, 4, 8. For this box, we're missing 1, 2, 4, and 5. We've got 2 and 4 here, so 1, 5, 2, 4, and 5 here. So this is our 1, 5. That makes this 2, 4, 2, 4. For this column, we're missing 1, 5, and 7. Got a 7 here, so 1, 5. 5 covering both of these boxes. So 1, 7, 1, 7. That means that our 5 has to be here. If we look at this row, we're missing 1, 2, 7, and 8. We've got 1 and 2 here, so 7, 8. 1 and 7 here, so 2, 8. 7 and 8 here, so 1, 2. If we look back, that means the only place our 1 can be is here. Look at this row, we're missing 6 and 9. We've got a 6 here, so 9, 6. That 9 makes this our 8, 9. That 8 makes this our 7, 2, 8. That 2 makes this our 7. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 9, and I don't see any help. So 2, 9, 2, 9. For this column, we're missing 8 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 8, 9. That 9 makes this our 1, 7, 1, 7. For this box now, we're missing 3 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 3, 6. For this top row, we're missing 2, 3, and 4. We've got a 2 here, so 3, 4. 3 here, so 2, 4. no help here. 2, 3, 4. For this row, we're missing 3, 5, and 8. We've got 5 and 8 here, so this is our 3. 5 here, so 8, 5. That 3 makes this our 4. 2, 9, 2, 4. For this box now, we're just missing a 9. That 4 makes this our 2, 3. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 4, and I don't see any help. So 1, 4, 1, 4. With this 2, we can get rid of this 2. For this row, we're missing 5 and 7. We've got a 5 here, so 7, 5. For this box, we're missing 1 and 4. Got a 1 here, so 4, 1. That 1 makes this our 4, 1. That 4 makes this our 8, 4, and 2. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.